Am I obsessed? Yeah, I don't know, but I'm very interested and I'm a little bit excited because, as you know, this is my introduction to and the beginning of my foreign exchange trading journey, and I'm utilizing software that's automating this for me. So again, I intend to learn a lot more about it, but right now I've set it in motion. It's going, making some money, and I'm learning a lot, and that's exciting to me. I love learning new things, especially things that can benefit me, my family. So what I wanted to share with you tonight, as I'm doing my last check-in before I go to bed, the two things that really attracted me to foreign exchange trading, right? Number one is just the potential in the earning potential, the gains that I've seen, shared on these forums, people that are utilizing similar software, people that I know that are actually working with the same company I'm working with, using their software specifically. You know, can't guarantee anything, right? But I've seen fairly conservative approaches generating 8, 10, 12% a month. Let's call it 10% a month on average. And just where else right now? I don't know of anywhere else that's, that's turning around that kind of gain on a fairly regular basis. So that's exciting. And the fact that it's automated and it's doing it for you kind of in the background and while you sleep. Literally, these foreign exchange markets are open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So that, all of that, the semi-passive income stream, significant earning potential is kind of like bucket number one. The other main reason number two, that kind of really attracted me to this as a potential investment opportunity is that, something about it feels a little diversified, a little bit hedged to me compared to, let's say, like the stocks that I own. The stock market is directly connected to the health of the United States economy. Everything that I own is US based. It's all in the New York Stock Exchange. I don't know what's going to happen in the United States this year. If things take a turn for the worse, my portfolio, the performance of my investment there is directly correlated with that, and I really don't have control over it, right? Here, what I'm seeing is currently on my account, again, currently 23 active open trades. This is spread across 13 different currency pairs. Again, one of them, Australian dollar to the Canadian dollar. One of them, the euro to the New Zealand dollar. The Great British Pound to the Australian dollar, the US dollar to the Japanese yen, right? Like, this stuff is spread out across so many different currency pairs with places around the globe that are so far disconnected that just the nature of that to me makes it feel spread out, like my eggs aren't all in the same basket. The software is also making bets that some of these values are going to go up. It's making bets that some of these values are going to go down. It's looking at the activity on the charts, and then it's seeing these micro opportunities. So they're not long-term bets. The average trade on my account, the average is about 11 hours. Sometimes they're in and out literally in minutes. Sometimes a couple of days. I've only been active about 3.5 days, 3 full days, and I had a few hours on the very first day. I got everything set up and running with the help of the company. But yeah, I mean, does that make sense? Like, one, you can make some serious coin. Two, I just feel like it's a little more diversified, a little safer than some of the other investment opportunities out there. So maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, but that's what attracted me. Would love to hear, from you guys what's interesting about Forex trading, how long you've been involved, and I'll continue to share, things as I learn. I've got some more kind of like Forex 101, learning a lot last couple days. I'll be sure to pass it on for those of you that are interested and kind of thinking about this. All I can say is so far so good, but maybe it's too early to tell. Stay tuned. Talk to you soon.